Alright, so when you go up to a woman and you start talking, usually she gives you a good response, but the interaction dies down very quickly, or even in the next sentence, and you don't know what went wrong. So in this video, I am telling you how to keep the interaction interesting and how to keep it going so she can get hooked and she wants to talk to you actually. So the number one thing you need to avoid is to firstly ask a lot of questions. Instead, what you want to do is maybe you can do cold reads, you can tell something interesting. One thing that's really important is to take a cocky frame, and here's one technique that I tell my students to use a lot. So if in case you're asking a question, you want to ask her the question, she'll give you the answer, and then you play with the answer, you tease her about it or instigate or give your personal opinion on that. Because pickup is all about conveying your personality to the girl as soon as possible, and she gets attracted to your personality. Most of the times what you're doing is asking her way too many questions and making her feel like she's on a pedestal and she's above you, instead of taking an arrogant frame, teasing her, conveying your personality and all that. So in this video you will see I'm here with my students, and in the beginning they're having trouble keeping the conversation going, but once I teach them the technique, they're able to do it really well and the interaction becomes much more captivating.
चल तू मेरे को ओपन कर पहले, ठीक है? I am the girl, you are the guy.
I think you were cute, so I decided to come and say hi.
Thanks.
What's up?
Question पे आ गया ना फिर से देख. दोबारा से.
ठीक. Hi, I think you're cute, so I thought I'll come and say hi.
Thanks.
So what are you doing in this mall? Roaming around and doing window shopping?
Yeah. Yes, something along those lines. What about you?
I'm just hanging out with my friends, waiting for some of them to catch up with me. So I saw you and decided that this looks kind of funky, so decided to come and say something. So that's a cool dress you have. I like blue.
You like blue?
Yeah, I like blue color.
It's black though.
It's probably the light messing with that.
You're messing up. You're messing up. So spikes नहीं दे रहा.
इसमें हो सकता है I'm color blind.
हाँ ऐसे बोल सकता है. I'm color
I
blind.
may be color blind.
मैं ट्राई करूँगा. मैं तेरे को ओपन करूँगा, ठीक है? Hi, just saw you and I thought you kind of cute. Wanted to say hi. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Parth.
Parth. And what does Parth mean?
It means white.
That explains it. I mean, you're as white as a polar bear, so, and plus you have the hairs like a polar bear.
Yeah. That's cute.
So thank you. I'm flattered that you think I'm cute and all. It can happen.
Oh my.
Say. So what are you up to right now?
I'm just roaming around looking for some clothes.
Are you the type of girl who wears like these, fancy clothes, or you're the conservative type who wears the
Looking for-
Indian and all?
Some suit and dupattas.
Suit and dupattas. I thought we were getting along for a moment there, but I don't think it would work out anymore.
So you like girls with tops and jeans.
Yeah, I like. This is kind of weird, but I like girls that are a little bit more out there, because I feel like they're really adventurous and fun. Are you usually the type of person who stays at home, eats chips all day, or you like to every once in a while do adventurous things?
I like to hang around outside, even though I wear dupattas and kurtas.
That means you're kind of adventurous, huh? I like that. I like that. I like you now. At first, I thought, you're kind of nice.
That's good.
स्पाइक्स दिए क्वालिफाई भी करा दिया तेरे को मैंने, जबकि तू इतना रूड बिहेव कर रहा है, वरना नॉर्मल बंदी नहीं इतना रूड बिहेव नहीं करती है.
हार्ड टू गेट बंदी थी ना.
हाँ, हार्ड टू गेट बंदी.
Viva.
अब तेरी बारी. Hi, you look kind of adorable.
Well, thank you.
But you sort of have this like very, what do you say? You look very nice, very like sweet, but I have a feeling you're not that nice and you're not that naive as your look suggests. I could be wrong.
Well, you could be.
What are you doing right now?
Well, I'm just with my girlfriends doing some window shopping.
Where are your girlfriends? Is that your girlfriend? Hi girlfriend, what's your name?
Hi. My name is Aparna.
Aparna. Do you think? I mean, she seems kind of friendly though, and
Well, she's very pricey.
is she? I don't know. I like this one. I'm not too sure about you.
I don't know what to say.
What do you do by the way?
I do interior design.
Why did it take you so long? Are you like, मैं क्या करती हूँ मेरे को पता नहीं है.
No, I'm in between jobs, that's why.
Okay. Do you think I can trust your friend? She is
Test her.
Test her? She wants me to test you, huh? I don't know. I mean,
That's
she.
very rude thing to say, you know.
हो गया ना देख? Spikes.
ये जो बंदी बात बोल रही है
हाँ।
उसी में से कुछ निकाल के बोल रही है.
Exactly.
हम एक बार दोबारा ट्राई करते हैं.
हाँ.
Hi, I think you're cute, so I came to say hi.
Thank you very much.
Hi, what are you doing in this mall today?
I was just here for getting some chai.
Chai, that's a really dehati and desi thing to do.
What do you mean? That's a Dehati thing. I mean,
You could have said tea, but you decided to say chai, that's why.
okay.
So-
What's your name?
My name is Parth.
My name is Parth.
Yeah,
Nice.
kind of interesting name.
What does that mean?
It means curious and white and pure.
Are you okay?
So that's dress looks a bit old,
I
a
mean,
bit out of touch with the current fashion, I would say.
not really. I mean, it's nice.
But I still think you can pull it off.
Thanks. Say, awesome. You did it well.